Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1/18 scale new Chevy C8 Corvette, and it is an officially licensed model by GM, made by my store. The model is not really great in terms of quality, but for the price it is decent. So I bought this model here in India for 3800 rupees from an Instagram page called life_1m scale. I'll provide the Instagram page link in the description of this video if you want to buy this or any other model. So if you're not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Hope you enjoyed this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.